As you already know, mahilig akong magbasa ng quotes or verses online tapos mag-i-internalize ako kung anong learning ang pwedeng i-apply sa buhay ko. Recently lang, may nabasa akong quote na I think would describe our story. Process comes first, promise comes second. Forming comes first, promotion comes second. Naiyak pa din ako. Everything takes time, but it's worth it in the end.
Never ko nasabi, pero mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. Nahiya din ako minsan kasi hindi ko nasasabi niya sa inyo na mahal ko kayo, pero sana nararamdaman niyo. Kahit ako'y ito malaki na sa isipan ko, talagang palagi ako'y mananatiling anak niyo.
Alam namin.
Kayong dalawa ngayon ay humaharap sa altar. At maya-maya, mangangako kayo ng pag-ibig at katapatan sa isa't isa. Umaaliw-ngaw-ngaw hanggang langit. At ito ang inyong papangako sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at ligaya, sa karamdaman at kalusugan, hanggang sa wakas ng inyong buhay.
I don't think that life really is worth the pain, effort, and struggling if you don't have somebody that you're in love with very much. To Princess, I never thought that my life would take this turn. You taught me how to love in the sincerest and simplest way that I can. I am very grateful that you came into my life. You saved me by loving me.
Sa pagkumpas ng iyong kamay,
Maraming bagyong darating, Sian at Princess. Maraming mga pagsubok. Pero ang mahalaga, we are wrapped by God's love. Ito ang paalala sa atin. Be a gift to each one.
kung puso ko ay mamapa, ikaw ang dulot, gitna at simula.
I know I am a bit of a dull and pessimistic human being. Love and gratitude has never been a favorite topic of mine. And I never had the success in writing a proper love letter for you. But I hope this qualifies as one.
Maligaw man
Ganda naman. Parang dalagang
at umikot man sa kawalan, sa bawat kailan, sino't saan, ikaw lamang ang kasagutan. Bawat kanan at kaliwan, kung di mo man
Tulad nga ng sabi ko sa'yo, magkakampi tayo sa mga hamon ng buhay. Maaaring hindi tayo laging nagkakasundo, pero lagi akong nandito. Yan yung pangako ko. Thank you for merging into my world, even if it means going out of your comfort zone. For trying your best to love me.
Kahit tagal ng lumulutang, walang pupuntahan, walang dahilan. Parang ulap na walang dalang ulan, kamangwa ng kumot.
We had our ups and downs, but we learned our way through it and ended up achieving a state of harmony and equilibrium. At this point of our lives, I want to thank you for loving me and understanding me. I will tell you now that I love you, and I am so lucky to be loving you. And I will continue to love you until the end of days.
Siyan. Lumalbas yung loob ang iyong pagparito upang nakaisang dibdib si Princess na iyong pakamamahal at paglilingkuran habang buhay. Opo, Father.
Malitaw man at mawala at umikot man sa kawalan, dahil sa bawat kailan, sino saan, ikaw lamang ang kasagutan. Bawat kanan at kaliwa.
Sobrang thankful po ako na naging anak niyo ako. Sa lahat ng privileges and sa lahat ng na-achieve ko, lagi niyo ako sinusuportahan. So, maraming salamat. Tsaka mahal na mahal ko po kayo.
Nagbabalik sa'yo.
Thank you for loving me even when I'm unfair, unreasonable, and hard to love. I've been so blessed to have you as my lifetime partner. I thank God for this day, for completing our union in His name. From here on, I vow to love and take care of you and Celine for the rest of my life. I love you always.